Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Alfa Romeo Giulia versus Audi. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which luxury sports sedan best fits your lifestyle. We'll cover everything from performance to interior features and overall value, giving you a clear picture of what each vehicle brings to the road. Let's dive into the details to see how these two impressive cars stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the Alfa Romeo Giulia typically offers a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 280 horsepower. This allows for a quick 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in about 5.1 seconds. The Audi A4, on the other hand, provides a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with up to 261 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 in as little as 4.8 seconds in some configurations. The Giulia is often praised for its engaging, driver-focused handling and precise steering. Inside, both sedans offer luxurious experiences, but with different philosophies. The Alfa Romeo Giulia presents a sporty, driver-centric cabin with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8.8-inch infotainment screen. It also provides generous front legroom at 42.4 inches. The Audi A4 counters with a meticulously crafted interior featuring a 10.1-inch MMI touch infotainment system and the acclaimed virtual cockpit. Audi's cabin is known for its high-quality materials and sophisticated design. Considering value, the Alfa Romeo Giulia typically starts around $47,245, while the Audi A4 has a lower entry price, beginning at approximately $43,295. In terms of reliability, the Audi A4 generally earns above-average ratings from sources like J.D. Power. The Giulia's reliability has historically been a point of discussion, with some earlier models facing issues, though recent years show improvements. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. We hope this comparison helps you choose your next luxury sedan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.